and welcome to Epcode. So I realized that my last videos I was thinking they were basics, but honestly they kind of weren't. They were kind of jumping a bit ahead. So I thought today we would talk about just some of the structures and really the true building blocks in code. Today I will be talking about arrays. So the way you define an array, well honestly, an array is a container and it can be however many things large. So you can have an array of size 2. And so there's section 1 and there's section 2. And then each of these sections can be something. Like it can be a number, it could be a Boolean, it could be some other struct you create, which is a whole nother topic. But basically an array holds things. And so you have an array that's 5 things. 2, 3, 4, 5. So your array has 5 items in it, which you can see, but something that always trips people up at the beginning is that arrays start counting at 0, and then they will go up to 4. So an array that is of size 5 will go from 0 to 4, and if there was an array of size 4, it would just go from 0 to 3. So when you access it, this is spot 0, that's spot 1, even though it's the second in the list. And usually arrays are kind of associated with brackets. So say we're going to have an array that's full of integers. So we'll say int, we'll just call it array for right now, array, and we want to be of size 4. So now we have an integer of array that is of size 4, so it goes from 0 to 3. So then what you can do is you can say array, let's say 2, equals 5. And what happens is it goes to spot 2, which is the third element right here, and it puts 5 in. And so that's kind of how you access things in the array. You can also say like array of 0 equal 3. And let's say this is like inside an if statement that we talked about in the last video. So it will check array index 0 and see if that's a 3, and it's not, so this will not go into. I'm sorry for that noise. I am dog sitting, and so I have 2 dogs here, and they play quite loudly. So I hope that made sense for how to access arrays and how to create an array as well. And if you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments. And if this made sense, please like the video. I'm really trying to simplify how I kind of talk about these things so it really does make sense to everyone. So please give me feedback, and if this is something that you really get, please subscribe so you can see all of my other kind of tutorials and things about code. Thank you!